Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a question, October 2020, 52 variant, question number 2. And in this question, he is asking here, the 5 red balls are there and three blue balls are there. So red balls are 5 and blue balls are 3. And total, if you talk, total are 8. He said, Sadi takes 3 balls at random from bag without replacement. So the word selection, we can say also, he selects how many ball he choose from here. Sometime, takes 3 balls. So he can use a word chosen sometime. So the word select also there, or without replacement. All three are same meanings. All three are same meanings. So he said X represent what? The number of red. Our major concern in this question is red. Okay. All right. Show that probability that Sadi takes exactly 1 red ball. So what is technique whenever without replacement come? So binomial formula NCR Q to power N minus R P to power R will flop. We can't use this formula. This formula only for the with replacement. Whenever he say with replacement, so with replacement we can use this kind of formula. Now what is technique to use the other one? I'm going to share you this red and blue, and this is C for red, this is C for blue, and total red are 5 and total blue are 3. So I'm writing on the top total. Now out of 5 reds I will take 1 red ball, so 5C1. Out of 5 I will select 1, and because total 3 to select, 1 gone, 2 left. So out of 3 blues I will take 2 blue out, and down total, because probability formula whenever we're looking for favorable outcome by total outcome. So total outcomes are out of 8, take C3. So that is why I write alt 8C3. And if you type in calculator, it will give you 15 by 56, which is target to achieved. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So first part is done. So now he's saying make a probability distribution table. And how we make it? So this X for options and probability of X. So 0 options, so 0 is there, then we have a 1 is there, then we have a 2 is possibility there, and last we have a 3. How come? Because if I take a out of 8 out of this one, if I take all 3 blue balls, so it means this, if I take all 3 blue balls, so naturally red becomes 0. Red becomes 0. That is why I wrote Z red 0. But red can be 1, 2, and highest possibility if I take all 3 red balls. Okay, all 3 red balls. So that is why. So this answer of the 1 red ball, I will write directly without any hesitation. Okay, and now how to get this answer 0? Okay, I am writing it here and then bring the answers down. Okay, so 0 and 2 and 3. If I talk about 0 red, okay, naturally red are 0. If red are 2, and if red are 3. So this is a way how we do it. As I taught you that down always total options. So 8C3 come in denominator, 8C3 come in denominator, 8C3 come in denominator. So this is C for red, this is C for blue, red, and blue. So now I'm typing, and total red are, my habit, I always these thing numbers, then I can focus my target easily and chance of mistake reduces. Because 5 and 3, so 5 red, 3 ball, I think the 5, 3, why I wrote these one numbers. Now 0 red means here 0, all 3 are blue. If 2 red are there, then naturally I need 1 blue. If all 3 red I take, then 0 blue. And now if I'm typing, if I type all these values in my calculator, so naturally this answer is coming directly. Hold on, 8C3 is coming 1 out of 56, because this is one answer coming. Anyway, and if I type this answer in a calculator, this is 5C2 is 10, 10, 3 is 30. So I get a 30 over 56. Okay, and if I type this in calculator, So 5C3, if you type in calculator 10, so 10 over 56. Hold on. Some people got a different answer because they simplest form. I'm not doing simple form, okay? So 30 plus 10, 40. 40 plus 10, 50 plus 55 plus 156. So matching. So end answer of sum of this is coming 1. So I know some student getting this answer, sorry, not this answer and this answer in simpler form. But I am typing the upper part alone and down part I know very well. 8C3 is 56. Oh, I got this value. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, this table done. Part number 2, he said 15/8. So a mean is 15/8 given by him. So I repeat, E of x is 15/8 is given by him. So variance, what is the formula of variance, student? I just tell you formula. E of x square minus E of x whole square. So there are difference between this and that. Okay. So E of x squared means very simple. This is x. All people know it is x. So square means each with square. I give example. So 0 square into 1 over 56 plus 1 square into 15 over 56 plus 2 square into 30 over 56 plus 3 square into 10 over 56. That's it. I repeat, you got my point. How I squared all these numbers, because square of all x values and multiply. And mean is very clear, 15/8 whole square, because we know very well it is given by him. Now rest is just typing in calculator, and I am typing in my calculator parallel with you. So 4 3s are 12, 120 divided by 56 and plus and 90 divided by 56, and I'm getting 225 by 56 minus 15 over 8 whole square. And if I subtract 15 divided by 8 and square, my answer is coming finally 0.5022. This is a variance. I recheck once again, then I tell you what is the answer finally. 15 plus 120 plus 90 and 225 divided by 56 and minus mean, wait a minute, let me check, square. Yes, it is correct answer, 0.502. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I believe the point is very, very clear, and the question is completely over.